Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this shining grey 1.5 Jazz EX. Now walking around the front, you'll notice that this car does come with LED headlights, comes with LED fog lights and 4 front parking sensors as standard on the car. You do also get these 16-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern you do actually get on these alloys. But walking around to the rear, we have 4 rear parking sensors. We've also got a nice little reversing camera just up at the top there as well. In the back of the car we have your 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with the boot floor just there. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. And of course, moving into the back of the car, we have your cloth grey with your white leather interior and Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. We've got full automatic electric windows all round. We've got keyless entry and keyless start. And then moving over into the middle, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your economy mode just there, and then your eCVT gearbox. We've got your climate control in the middle with your heated seats on the front. We then have a 10-inch display in the middle which comes with your satellite navigation. Comes with all of your audio sources just there, and most importantly your Bluetooth hands-free. We then have a nice bit of additional storage on the left hand side just there, and of course we have your multi-function steering wheel just here. This comes with your volume controls, track select, voice assistant, and of course your onboard computer controls. We've then got your speed limiter and your cruise control on the right hand side with your lane keep assist, distance control and your heated steering wheel just there. We've then got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see this car has only done 5,957 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy just here. If you do of course require any further information on this Honda Jazz, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.